guys, back with another one, and this is gonna be all fighter jet content, because I can. Watch this. Okay, a couple are about to take off from this runway, like right here, okay? But the sound is gonna bounce off of that building, and it's gonna sound like it's coming from this side and behind us. It's crazy. Just listen to this. Watch it. Now we get to watch it take off. So homie and his wingman are taxiing in position. Here comes the first pair back from their sortie. They're gonna do a pass. They're not gonna land this time. these guys just went to landing configuration, and I think what they're gonna do is they're gonna do a go around. So they're gonna both approach like they would land, but then they're gonna do a go around. And they're gonna probably take back off at like 500 feet. Guy on the left is probably most definitely doing a go around. Nope, I was wrong. He's touching down. His wingman's gonna do the go around. Once again, dude, it sounds like this noise is coming from that building, but it's not. Trying to get one of these guys to do an aileron roll, like a barrel roll. I mean, these guys aren't gonna do it because they're in landing configuration, but the few that fly by without it, I keep trying to see if I can get one to do a barrel roll. We'll see. Oh, these things are sick. This guy looks like he's coming in for a landing. Yeah, it looks like he's lined up for the runway. Oh yeah, for sure. Now watch these bags. See? There they go. It's like a whole minute after it passes, it seems like. It's not, it's like 20 seconds, but you get this huge puff of wind. It's all from the thrust in the back of the jet, so it's fucking rad. Alright, so clearly it's a different day, but I came back out and I'm not gonna give away the location, but I may have bribed some farmers with some beers to let me on the property. So I can watch them take off from the departure side instead of just watching them land. So the farmers were gracious enough to let me come out here, and I'm right in line with the runway, and I I missed the last sortie, but I hear jets starting to fire up. So hopefully here in like 20-30 minutes, they'll be setting off another group for some sorties, and we'll get some cool like afterburner shots, I'm hoping. So we'll see. Trying to give you an idea, we are lined up with the active runway. So hopefully it should be pretty cool stuff. And it should go without saying, but like, don't fly a drone near an Air Force base, and then also don't try to enter an Air Force base unless you're Air Force or military. Probably not a good idea. It's probably how you get shot. I missed it on camera because I wasn't ready, but I'm pretty sure those were not American aircraft that just took off. I'm not gonna say what country I think they're from, but you could probably guess. We have those too, apparently. That's pretty cool.